Good morning, you guys. Back with another video. Today, I'm getting started early for this Easter dinner. I'm not having much. It's just going to be like me and my son. Then one of my friends is coming over to visit. So I'm not cooking much because tomorrow's a work day for me. Then Tuesday is a birthday for me. So I ain't cooking all that. Okay, but here's my ham. Okay, ready to roll. And go in the oven. I open my pineapples right here, and I got my cherries for it. Okay, this is for my macaroni and cheese, homemade macaroni and cheese. And I had to take my Hawaiian rolls out the freezer this morning, so they basically thawed up. Okay, I had to take this out the freezer this morning because I add cheese and grate the cheese for my macaroni, but I like to add this for the top. And I'm having string beans and potato salad. And here's my little birthday cake. I can't touch it till Tuesday. And I have ice cream somewhere back up in here. I can't touch it till Tuesday, so that's good enough for me. And I just took me some of these out the freezer. These are good, you guys. The Jimmy Dean breakfast roll-up. I got the sausage one. They said the ham is really good. I haven't tried that one yet. So, since we're going to have dinner, I'm just only going to eat one. And as you can hear, my coffee over here is brewing. Okay. I had a little dishwater running. Wiping the stuff down. And this little brown sugar that come with the ham, but I do add on. So, let me put this in the oven, you guys. Okay, here's this biscuit that I put in the microwave. Got cheese, egg, and sausage in there. And you can't cook anything. Because look, right here. You see what I'm saying? Do she want the biscuit? She wants some coffee. What is it, Binker? Mama, I smell some ham. Okay, you guys. Then bye-bye for now. And I will be back with another video.